Today we're going to talk about how to use an edge guide when sewing with an industrial sewing machine. Here we have our edge guide foot. This is an eighth inch guide foot, so it will sew an 1/8 of an inch seam allowance. The guide has a little toe that sticks out, and that is where you're going to align your fabric to sew. So I'm going to attach the foot to the machine. By tightening this screw. All you have to do is slide the guide onto the post, and you can tighten the screw with the screwdriver. To start sewing, you'll align the edge of your fabric with the toe that sticks out on the guide foot. With your presser foot up, you'll align the fabric with the guide, lower the presser foot. So we'll want to align the edge of our fabric with the inside edge of our guide toe before we start sewing. To start sewing, we'll hold our trail threads, push down on the presser foot and sew 2 to 3 stitches. Push our back stitch lever, release, and continue sewing. I'll use both my left and right hand to guide the fabric and butt it up against the edge toe. When we come to the end of our sewing line, you can back stitch 2 to 3 stitches, release, continue stitching 2 more. We'll heel back on our foot pedal and snip our threads. And that is how you use a guide foot.